Present continuous, so we have done. Yes, we will do past continuous tense. So what is past continuous tense now? बताओ past continuous tense क्या होता है? The past continuous, also called the past progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show that ongoing past action was happening at a specific moment of interruption, or that two ongoing actions were happening at the same time. मतलब पास्ट में क्या था, वो एक्शन जो था वो हो रहा था. जैसे मैं कहती हूँ ही वॉज स्टडिंग येस्टरडे, उस टाइम पे पास्ट का मतलब तो हमें समझ आता है कि वो समय जो चला गया है, बट उस समय में अगर कोई काम कंटिन्यूटी में था तो उस चीज को हम क्या कहते हैं, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. जैसे yesterday we were attending the class at 4:30. हाँ जी. And now it becomes very important to know the grammatical rule of that. So the past continuous is formed using was or were. इसमें क्या लगता है, सब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट प्लस was या were प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ये जो सेंटेंसेस हैं इसके अकॉर्डिंग बनते हैं. हाँ, अब आती है बात was और were कहाँ कहाँ लिखनी है. मतलब where we have to apply was and where we have to apply were. Yes, some of the students are writing yes it's a continuous tense and I should write yes plus ing. सो इसमें क्या होता है, was were प्लस ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. अब was कहाँ लगता है और were कहाँ लगता है. was लगता है विद द सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट और were लगता है विद द प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. सो बताओ was किसके साथ कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स आएंगे, लिखो फटाफट. आई वी दे यू के साथ आता है वर. आई वी दे यू के साथ आएगा वर. ही शी इट के साथ आएगा was. So what is this? he she it के साथ was, I we they you के साथ were. Now we will read some sentences. कैसे? कहते you were studying when she called. आप पढ़ रहे थे जब उसको बुलाया गया था. क्वेश्चन उसका क्या आ जाएगा? Were you studying when she called? You were not studying when she called. Were you not studying when she called? ठीक है, इस तरह सेंटेंसेस बनेंगे. आई नो दैट पीपल आर राइटिंग दे वर गोइंग टू जापान. दे वर ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग न्यू. सही है. इट वॉज अ वेरी गुड इट वॉज अ वेरी गुड पर्सन कैसे आएगा? पर्सन के साथ इट कैसे लगेगा? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल एवर दैट यू राइट पर्सन के साथ इट. It was a very good toy. It was a very good phone because it is always used with the non-living things. Wow, Urban has written whole of that. Rather it is interrogative, rather it is negative. Nice. Students are becoming intelligent, I think. Okay. अब कहते हैं इंटरप्टेड एक्शंस को भी अगर हमने लिखना हो तो वो कैसे लिखते हैं पास्ट में. लेट्स रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके, प्लीज राइट डाउन सम ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस. यू पीपल आर राइटिंग. मैं चेक करती हूँ क्या गलत लिख रहे हो और क्या सही. शी वाज कुकिंग द फूड. दे वर स्टडिंग डेली. दे वर स्टडिंग डेली. अब नहीं पढ़ते. They were studying for 2 hours they were studying for 2 hours daily till yesterday. Then it can be a good sentence. But ये continuous नहीं है ना. I was ill yesterday. You were reading. They were playing a cricket. Was I not going to school? You were watching television last night. Were you watching television last night? You were not watching television last night. Palvi Sodi, wow. We were sleeping. I was going to Mumbai. Rama was playing the ground. Was playing in the ground. She was eating. She was not eating. Was she eating? Was she not eating? We were praying to God. Yes, make up sentences. I'm having 57 attendees with me. So all of them are, you can say, contributing into it, and all of them should be writing. Ramesh was going to the school daily. No, daily नहीं आएगा. Ramesh was going to the school on regular basis. Daily नहीं लिखना यहाँ पे, on regular basis लिख सकते. The students were smarting work. The students were smarting work या sorting work. She was going to Delhi yesterday. Rama was going to school. Rama was not going to school. Was Rama going to school? ठीक है. The sun was shining every day that summer. ठीक है. राम के स्पेलिंग ही गलत कर दिए. रेम लिख दिया हुआ. When I was studying at home, I met her. When I was studying, घर पे कैसे मिल लिया अभी उसको? We were organizing the show. We were not organizing the show. Were we organizing the show? Were we not organizing the show? She was going to the market. She was not going to the market. Was she going to? Tanya was taking They were studying mathematics. Were they studying mathematics yesterday? They were not studying. They were going for the trip. Were you attending the class yesterday? Okay, now let's focus to these sentences. Stop writing. बस आगे सबको समझ आ गया मुझे. वेरी नाइस, स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, कहते हैं हम कॉन्टिन्यूस पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस वहां पे भी यूज करते हैं जहां पे इंटरप्टेड एक्शंस होते हैं पास्ट में. यूज द पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस टू इंडिकेट दैट अ लॉन्गर एक्शन in the past was interrupted. The interruption is usually a shorter action in the simple past. Remember, this is a real interruption or just an interruption in the. I was watching TV when she called. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या उसने बुला लिया तो मेरा जो वहां था, मैं जो टीवी देख रहा तो मैंने छोड़ा, तो वहां पे क्या था, वो इंटरप्शन आई. When the phone rang, she was writing a letter. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जब फोन बजा तो मैं क्या कर रहा था, मैं लेटर लिख रहा था. You were having the picnic. While we were having the picnic, it started to rain. तो पिकनिक क्या हो गया, इंटरप्ट होगी तो पिकनिक बंद होगी, मतलब we just came back, बारिश होगी. What were you doing when the earthquake started? आप लोग क्या कर रहे थे जब अर्थक्वेक स्टार्ट हुआ था? देखो हर एक में इंटरप्शन हुई है. इंटरप्शन मतलब रुकावट आनी. सो दैट हैपेंड ओवर हियर. आई वाज लिसनिंग टू माय आईपॉड सो आई डोंट हियर द फायर अलार्म. मैं अपने गाने सुन रहा था आईपॉड पे, तो मुझे नहीं सुना जब अलार्म बजा फायरिंग का. यू वर नॉट लिसनिंग टू मी व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू टू टर्न द ओवन ऑफ. है ना, कि तुमने सुना ही नहीं जब मैंने तुम्हें बोला था. While John was sleeping last night, someone stole his car. Sammy was waiting for us when we got off the plane. जब हम प्लेन से उतरे थे तो सैमी हमारी वेट कर रहा था. While I was writing the email, the computer suddenly went off. है ना? What were you doing when you broke your leg? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब तुमने अपनी टांग जो है वो तोड़ ली? I was snowboarding. ठीक है, वो आंसर दे रहा है उसका. So it depends upon the situation. मोस्टली वो सिचुएशन पे डिपेंड करेगा सेकंड सेंटेंस. वी कांट से कि वो कहाँ किस टेंस में होगा. Okay, now it's your turn. You will make these sentences. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस वहां पे यूज करना है जहां पे पास्ट में काम करते करते चाहे वो छोटी सी रुकावट आई थी या बड़ी रुकावट आई थी, बट आई थी. Now you are going to make some examples, quote some examples over here for this. No, this is not the first slide. When you called me, I was reading the book. यहीं से नहीं उठा लिया. I was going to the market के spelling ठीक करो भाई. When you called me. बेटा जी कल कुछ रीजन से रिकॉर्डिंग पॉसिबल नहीं हुई थी, अदरवाइज मेरे सारे सेक्शन इस सॉफ्टवेयर में पड़े हुए हैं. When I was going to the bank, there was an accident on the road. She was made food, but cylinder finished. Oh, she was making the food. Suddenly, the fuel finished. सिलेंडर फिनिश नहीं लिखना, उसमें फ्यूल होता है. I was making dinner when she arrived. He put the sweater because he was cold. मेरे को इस फॉर्म में चाहिए सेंटेंसेस. पास्ट में आप या कोई और काम कर रहा था बट इंटरप्शन आ गई. I was see the lecture when my mobile. I was doing the important work and when she called me. I was going to the market. Suddenly, mom called me. आप सब यही लिख जाओ. I was doing this. He called me. She called me. लेटर के स्पेलिंग एल ई होता है. लेटर तो कुछ और ही होता है. लेटर होता है बाद वाला. Yes. He was going to the market when I met him. They were learn easy. They were call him. I was reading the book. Suddenly the phone rang. ये सही है. When I was picking my book, double rolled from the table and fall on my foot. Now it is paining. ठीक है. कॉम्प्लेक्स से सेंटेंस बनाया है. When I was sleeping, suddenly class started. हो. क्लास तो पहले टाइमिंग्स पता होते हैं. एकदम से क्लास कैसे स्टार्ट हो जाती. We was walking. We were walking. Suddenly rain came. I was making breakfast when she came to ask me for the help in her assignment. I was attending the lecture. Suddenly my mom called me. कुछ गंदा ही किया होगा, नहीं तो मम्मी कभी लेक्चर पढ़ते हुए नहीं, मतलब सुनते हुए नहीं उठाएंगी. I was sleeping. Suddenly my sister called me. I was finishing my work. ठीक है. Suddenly my mom called me. I was ही आता है. I was sleeping then it's called my mom. ये क्या सेंटेंस हुआ. सेंटेंस भी तो दिखो. सेंटेंस का मीनिंग तो आए. What sentences you are making. It's not just we are making the sentences only. It's like that कि sentence should have a good meaning. I was praying then my father called me. I was praying so my father didn't call me. We were cutting the cake when she came. ठीक है. Met with me. Suddenly my friends met me. Meet भी नहीं आएगा, met आएगा. Past में है तो verb का second form आएगा. I was using the phone when the class finished. I was eating the food. Suddenly I went to the market. Okay. I think this is clear to you कि past में भी हम continuous section में अगर interruption आती है तो past continuous tense use होता है. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, please tell me. Is it clear? Suddenly current got off, power got off. Okay, let's learn something in addition to it. He was working on the laptop. Suddenly it hanged. He, she, it के साथ was होता है. He was, she was, we, it was. We के साथ were होता है. I के साथ was होता है. आपने याद रखना है ना. देखो सिंगुलर के साथ, सिंगुलर मतलब ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਇੱਕ ਵਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ was ਲਗਾਣਾ ਵਾ. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪਲੂਰਲ ਆ ਇੱਕ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਇੱਕ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ were ਲਗਾਣਾ. Getting my point? Okay, specific time as an interruption. कहते हैं past continuous is interrupted by shorter action in the simple past. However, you can use a specific time as an interruption. Last night at 6 p.m. I was eating dinner. अब I was eating dinner past है, but अगर मुझे अब specific time बताना है तो मैं कैसे बताऊंगा? उस केस में लास्ट, जैसे मैंने पहले वो टाइम को जो है वो प्रेजेंट कर देना है. लास्ट नाइट एट 6 p.m. आई वॉज ईटिंग डिनर. एट midnight we were still driving through the desert. Yesterday at this time I was sitting at my desk at work. है ना? तो लास्ट नाइट आई वॉज ईटिंग डिनर. I ate dinner. I started eating at 6 p.m. So ऐसे वाले sentences बनाओ. When you need to specify the time. Last year I was doing my MBA. अब टाइम को स्पेसिफाई करना है. आप स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर रहे हो विकास. टाइम को स्पेसिफाई करना है कि इस टाइम ऐसा हुआ था. मैं कह रही हूं कि जैसे हमने कभी बताना हो ना पास्ट में इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे ऐसा हुआ था, देन ऑल्सो टाइम लिखने के बाद मैं पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस लिखती हूँ. जैसे यहाँ पे है, ये देखो लास्ट नाइट एट 6 p.m. टाइम बता दिया. आई वॉज ईटिंग डिनर, ये क्या है? पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. तो जब मुझे प्रॉपर क्या है टाइम को स्पेसिफाई करना है, स्पेसिफाई मतलब प्रॉपर टाइम बताना हो, तो देन ऑल्सो हम इस सेंटेंस में लिखते, इस टेंस में लिखते हैं. आई वॉज थिंकिंग टू गो अब्रॉड. अबाउट नहीं आएगा, हर जगह पे अबाउट नहीं लगा देते. एट नून ही वॉज अराइविंग. At 7 p.m. I was sitting in the park. Last Sunday at 6 a.m. I was going to गुरुद्वारा साहिब की स्पेलिंग गलत है. गुरु द्वारा, GURUDWARA. गुरु द्वारा मतलब गुरु के द्वार पे. I was going last night at 8 a.m. I enjoy my party with his friends. Once I was going to New Delhi. When it is going to be a particular noun, then you need to write in capital. Like particular noun means name of a place, person, animal, or a thing. I was attending the lecture. Last night I was reading book at 10 p.m. At 6 a.m. I was going for running. I was met her नहीं, I met her ही आएगा, simple ही आएगा. Last night I was having dinner with her, वो past continuous में आ जाएगा. Last year on this day we were attending seminar. Yes. Last night I was watching में TCHING होता है. Last Wednesday attending the economic lecture, then suddenly I feel head H. Head लिखना होता है HEAD, H ACHE. बॉडी एक भी हो सकता है, हेड एक भी हो सकता है, स्पेलिंग ACHE होता है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू यू कि हम एक तो है हम स्मॉल इंटरप्शंस के लिए पास्ट में भी यूज करते हैं पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, एंड देन व्हेन वी नीड टू स्पेसिफाई द पर्टिकुलर टाइम in the past when the interruption took place, then also we write in this tense. Jyotika, sentence went off at midnight. I and my friends were eating a food. नहीं होता, एक food खाया था आपने. Were eating food. Today at 7 a.m. my eyes was opening. अच्छा, अपने आप ओपनिंग हो रही थी, गलत है. Today at 7 a.m. My eyes opened and I felt headache. Last result I am fail for all subjects. ये क्या? ऐसी गंदी गंदी बातें मत लिखा करो, वो भी सुबह सुबह. ऑलवेज राइट पॉजिटिव. बेटा सेंटेंस ना बड़ी जल्दी वेंट ऑफ हो जाते हैं. Last Sunday, last 2 hours we were playing the volleyball. Last year we were going to hill station. We were playing the IPL cricket when 7 o'clock. हाँ, ये क्या सेंटेंस हुआ? We were playing IPL cricket. या we were watching IPL. कुछ तो कॉमन सेंस से भी लिखने है ना. IPL में तो फिर you know that there will be only the cricket team. Then how you can write like this? We were watching, it's fine कि आप लोग watch कर रहे थे. So always make the sentences, it's not anything fake, because जब हम sentences बनाते हैं वो meaningful भी होने चाहिए. Last 2 years I was regularly I got going to the church before the lockdown. बाकी ठीक है. We were watching the Kapil Sharma show yesterday at 8 a.m. ठीक है, ऐसे भी लिखते थे. Yesterday at 8 a.m. we were watching the Kapil Sharma show. From last half an hour we were trying to open our eyes. क्यों फिर क्यों नहीं खुल रही? Yesterday I was enjoying IPL cricket match. Nice. You watched it? Okay, let's learn something ahead. कहते हैं पैरेलल एक्शंस में भी ये चीज यूज होती है, बट लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज पैरेलल एक्शंस. When you use the past continuous with the two actions in the same sentence. पैरेलल का मतलब क्या है? दो काम इकट्ठे हो रहे हो पास्ट में, तो उसमें भी हम यूज करते हैं. इट एक्सप्रेसेस द आइडिया दैट बोथ एक्शंस वर हैपनिंग एट द सेम टाइम. The actions are parallel. Parallel का क्या मतलब होता है? सेम सेम इकट्ठे इकट्ठे मूव करना इज पैरेलल. सो यहाँ पे दो सेंटेंसेस इकट्ठे इकट्ठे मूव करेंगे बिकॉज दोनों काम पास्ट में चल रहे थे, और एक टाइम पे दो काम चल सकते हैं. वी ऑल नो दैट. इज इट? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग व्हाट आई सेड? पैरेलल एक्शंस. Yes, my students, were you able to understand what is parallel action? Okay. I was studying while he was making dinner. मैं पढ़ रहा था जब वो डिनर बना रहा था. While Ellen was reading, Tim was watching television. अब दोनों पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में ही है, बट कुछ सेंटेंसेस जो हैं उनको बता रहे हैं कि वो ये कर रहा था, वो ये कर रहा था. Were you listening while he was talking? क्या तुम सुन रहे थे जब वो बोल रहा था? I wasn't paying attention while I was writing the letter, so I made several mistakes. अब जब मैं लेटर लिख रहा था तब मैं अटेंशन नहीं पे कर रहा था, इसलिए मैंने बहुत सारी गलतियां करी उसमें. What were you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे थे? While you were writing, जब तुम लिख रहे थे. Thomas wasn't working. थॉमस जो था वो काम नहीं कर रहा था. एंड आई वॉजेंट वर्किंग ईदर. ना थॉमस काम कर रहा था ना मैं काम कर रहा था. अब वो ये कर रहा था, मैं ये कर रहा था, वो ये कर रहा था, अब ये कर रहा था. मतलब यू नीड टू मेक द सेंटेंसेस. और इसमें भी अगर पास्ट में कंटिन्यूअस एक्शन में हम ये यूज करते हैं, बट अगर वो पैरेलल एक्शन है तो उसमें जो कॉमा है that segregates the sentences. See, at every point we have used a comma. अब यहाँ पे आपने लिख दिया I called you, I was calling you. दोनों सेंटेंस पास्ट में कॉन्टिन्यूस होंगे तो वो पैरेलल एक्शन है. ये ठीक है. When I was studying, my younger siblings were fighting. I was working when she was playing. When I was studying के spelling गलत है. Here, there was not available many facilities. हाँ? When I was eating, he was cooking. ऐसे लिख सकते हो. When I was eating आएगा, eaten नहीं आएगा. तुम्हें खा रहे थे क्या वो? When I was eaten, मुझे खाया जा रहा था. He was calling me and I was drinking the tea. Tea के spelling A. When I was praying, my friend was calling to me. Calling me, to me नहीं होता. Yes. I was dancing when you were singing. दोनों एक्शंस पास्ट में और कॉमास भी लगाओ. The rock star wants to warm up. कई लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, उसको कॉन्टिन्यूस फॉर्म में नहीं लिख रहे हैं, बट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंसेस. When my mother was cooking the food, I was spinning pen whereas she was enjoying television. When show was going on, he was packing his stuff. When I was studying, my sister was playing games. When I was eating the food, when I was eating the food, I was नहीं आप ही नहीं दो काम कर रहे. When I was going to Chandigarh, my brother was going. वह थोड़ी फिर brothers आएगा. My brothers were going to Jalandhar. I was studying when he is coming. When he came, फिर वो past दोनों continuous tense नहीं बनेंगे. What the task I have given you. When I was playing volleyball suddenly, I was eating when they were going. I was reading and he was watching. When I was attending the lecture, then my sister was eating breakfast. फिर वो भी तो past में ही होगा ना. When I was going to Jalandhar, my brothers were going to Amritsar. I was going to Delhi, but फिर वो ये तो आकांक्षा ये तो मतलब बना ही नहीं कॉन्टिन्यूस. हम जो कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं दोनों कॉन्टिन्यूस एक्शंस पास्ट में पैरेलल मूव कर रहे हैं. उसके लिए सेंटेंसेस लिख रहे हैं. She was sleeping. Jack was doing his homework. She was running when I listening के spelling गलत है. Listening music. Okay, somewhat clear to you. You are making mistakes. So please read this slide again. You will be able to understand what I was teaching you. Atmosphere में भी इसका यूजेज होता है. In English, we often use a series of parallel action to describe the atmosphere at a particular time in the past. वो कैसे? बस focus on this, because if you will not understand this, you will not be able to make sentences. When I walked into the office, several people were busy typing. Some were talking on the phones. The boss was yelling directions. अब वो क्या कह रहा है कि we often use a series of parallel actions. मतलब जब मैं गया, ऐसा हो रहा था, ये वो कर रहा था, वो ये कर रहा था, ऐसा हो रहा था, वैसा हो रहा था. तो उसके लिए when I walked into the office, जब मैंने ऑफिस के अंदर एंटर करा, several people were busy typing. बहुत लोग बिजी थे टाइपिंग करने में. Some were talking on the phones. मतलब सीरीज ऑफ एक्शन है, बट वो सारे कॉन्टिन्यूस में. कुछ लोग फोन पे बातें कर रहे थे. The boss was yelling directions. Yelling का मतलब, give me the meaning of the word yelling. Okay. And customers were waiting to be helped. One customer was yelling at the secretary and waving his hands. Others were complaining to each other about the bad service. So now you need to make this sentence. You need to make one paragraph, write one paragraph इसमें आपने क्या करना है, आपने ऐसे ही पैरेलल कंटिन्यूअस एक्शंस को लिखना है. सो थिंक एंड स्टार्ट टाइपिंग. प्लीज रिपीट मैम. इसमें मैंने ये बोला है कि एक टाइम पे बहुत सारे काम हो रहे होते हैं एटमॉस्फेयर में, उस कंडीशन में. जैसे मैं बोलूँ, एज आई केम आफ्टर माई क्लास टू माई हाउस, माई मदर वॉज कुकिंग फूड, माई फादर वॉज रीडिंग द न्यूज पेपर, माई सिस्टर वॉज स्टडिंग, माई ब्रदर वॉज वॉचिंग द टेलीविजन. तो इसमें क्या है कि मैंने पहले बताया वो एटमॉस्फेयर, उसके बाद सब उस टाइम पे क्या क्या कर रहे थे. When I was attending the English class, my mother was cooking food, my father was sleeping. सही है. When I was नहीं आएगा, when I entered in the meeting, at the meeting भी नहीं आता. Some were doing gossip, girls were doing this. When I walked into the bar, Raman and Sunita were arguing again. Simran was chatting to the barman with the barman on the usual prank. When it was church, someone praying and worshipper worshipping and apostle G worshipping also. When my class was starting, when my class started, some students were playing football, some boys were running, but I was only reading books. But I was reading book, only reading book. But I was the only one who was reading book. When I was going to the party, some friends eating the cake, some friends were eating the cake, and some friends were given the gifts in the they were giving gifts to the birthday girl. In birthday girl थोड़ी घुसेड़ना है उसके अंदर, दे रहे थे टू. prepositions भी सीखो. When I arrived at the school, all my classmates were listening to my teacher. My teacher was doing work. My teacher was making them understand on the blackboard. So ये जो होता है वो पॉजिटिव होता है, मतलब अच्छे सेंटेंसेस बनाना. No doubt you write, you are following the grammatical rule, but somewhere it is very important to use the vocabulary and to make the good sentences. When I was attending the meeting, some people were writing the key points and some people were communicating with each other. When I arrived the car, when I arrived by my car, the roads were busy था, पहुंच भी गए. फिर आपने उस सिचुएशन में बताना है क्या हुआ. When I entered to the class, my mates were preparing their notes, my friends were discussing some topics, and teachers were helping them. ये ठीक है. When I was going to the church, several people were busy. Busy के spelling सही करो. Praying. Few people were reading the Bible. Few people were roaming because they were coming to the church for this only. बार बार उसको रिपीट नहीं करते. फिर हम ऐसे ही लिख देते हैं. When I entered the college. हमने सिंपल पास्ट जब लिखते हैं तो फिर क्या लिखते हैं? कराया है ना. Subject plus verb का second form. The students were playing drama. Teachers were watching them, and my friends were fighting with each other. When I was playing with my friend after I came at home. When I was playing with my friend, तो फिर after I came home, ये क्या सेंटेंस में? आप जब खेल रहे थे तो उस सिचुएशन में जाके लिखो ना, मेरी फ्रेंड क्या कर रही. When I was going to the park, some people were busy talking on their phones, and mostly people were enjoying clicking photographs. While we were roaming, someone called us. अरबिन ऐसे करके लिखता है. अरबिन. वाह. When I was going to the church, चर्च के स्पेलिंग सही करो. People were busy praying. मैंने पढ़ लिया है. Few people were reading Bible. Few people were roaming because they were coming to the church for roaming. ये पढ़ लिया है. When I was going at my elder brother. When I was going at my elder brother's place. उसकी जगह पे जा रहा था. जहाँ elder brother's house या elder brother's office कुछ भी हो सकता है. बट अगर मैं प्लेस लिख दिया तो फिर पता लग जाता है उसकी प्लेस आ रहा था. Lots of people in the bus and they were all looking angry. Lots of people were traveling in the bus and they were looking angry. But out of them, some were singing song and others were laughing. तो ये सेंटेंस सौरभ अच्छा बनता है. When I walked in the park. When I walked in the park. जब मैंने walk कर रहा था पार्क में. Some people were walking. Some were running. अब आपने continuous में आके was were नहीं लगाया. Several people were doing yoga and some were playing with their small children. Others were eating ice cream, but all were enjoying the moments. My mother was cooking food. My father was reading newspaper. Read a newspaper, nahi reading newspaper. Just completed reading newspaper. मतलब अभी just finish करा था और complex बन जाता है. My elder sister was watching TV. It was difficult for me to concentrate on my lecture. दिल की बात सुना रहे हो. ऐसे ही करते हैं घर वाले. चलो, is it clear? Because if I start reading every message, then it would be like सिर्फ यही होगा, अगला हम पढ़ेंगे नहीं. So is it clear, everyone? Was it interesting? कि हमें पता चले कि एटमॉस्फेयर में भी हम ऐसे सेंटेंसेस लिख सकते हैं. इंटरप्टेड सिचुएशंस में लिख सकते हैं, पैरेलल एक्शंस में लिख सकते हैं, एटमॉस्फेयर में लिख सकते हैं। Repetition and irritation with always. The past continuous with the verb. अब छोड़ दो. I'm going with the next discussion. Please move on there. My was brushing. कौन brushing? वो तो लिखा ही नहीं. Okay जी, I will make you understand with the prepositions also. Sister, वो मिस कर दिया तो continuous action कैसे पता चलेगा? ओके, थोड़ा सा करें आगे. परमिशन दे दो मुझे. लेट मी गो अहेड. Are you people learning something in the class या इंग्लिश क्लास ऐसे ही चल रही है? ग्रांटेड. वाह वाह वाह. शिवम शिवम सेठी ना जब भी बात करता है ना ऐसे ही करता है बस, है ना? Okay, all you people are finding it like it's a useful information we are discussing in the class. Oh my God, my skills are improving. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Joke is also very important. It creates fun in the class. अगर हम live class में होते तो फिर क्या करते, हमें सबको पता है या नहीं? Thank you so much that for every conversation you just post, you just interact with me. That's all. I really love it. कि बच्चे इंटरेस्ट तो ले रहे हैं ना. अकेला बोलना इज रियली वेरी डिफिकल्ट इफ नो पीपल आर रिवर्टिंग. Okay, now let's start with this. Repetition and irritation with always. The past continuous with words such as always or constantly expresses that the idea something irritating or shocking often happened in the past. है ना? It always ऐसा होता था, है ना? जैसे she was always coming to the class late. तो he was constantly talking. He annoyed everyone. I didn't like them because they were always complaining. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, हम always लगा के या constantly लगा के ये बताते हैं कि past में ये काम होता ही रहता था. काश क्या होगा ही ऐसे. You will be able to understand English, write English and speak English, and once you will be in the interview round and you will be able to clear it, you will really call me and say thank you ma'am, we have done only because we were able to make good sentences as you taught us in the class. होगा ना ऐसा? अच्छा, जिसका क्लियर हो जाएगा उसमें से कौन कौन मुझे कॉल करेगा? ओके, नाइस. Oh my God, blessed to have you students. नाइस नाइस नाइस. चलो, अब ऐसे सेंटेंसेस बनाओ जिसमें ऑलवेज लगाओ या कॉन्स्टेंटली लगाओ और ये बताओ कि पास्ट में ये एक्शन कंटिन्यूटी में हो ही रहा था. चलो जल्दी जल्दी बनाओ सेंटेंसेस. ऐसे सेंटेंसेस जिसमें ऑलवेज लगा के पास्ट में बताओ कि ऐसा होता ही था पास्ट में। और ये चीज आपको बहुत, when I was studying, usually my neighbors shouts. Yeah, always my neighbors were shouting. When I was attending my English lecture in the morning at 7 a.m., usually my neighbors starts shouting. She always talking too much. He always fighting with me. She was always in phone. फोन के बीच में कैसे घुसड़ जाओगे भाई? She was always on phone during her classes, during her working hours, during her job. She was always praying to God. She was constantly eating. Bhooki hai, she was all the weapon. She was always planning for excursions. What is the meaning of the word excursions? She was always coming to the class late. She was always texting me during my class. Excursions होती है, पिकनिक नहीं होती, outings होती है. Outing किसी भी तरह की outing. She was always chatting. The chatting नहीं आता. The आता है पर्टिकुलर चीजों के लिए. The ताजमहल, the golden temple. I was always a lazy girl, but now you are not. That's why you are. I was always. मैं होती थी. रेस्टोरेंट के स्पेलिंग गलत है. RESTAURANT. She was always playing badminton with me. I didn't like them because they were always complaining. She was always cooking food. My friends were always planning the trip, but always cancelled their plans. At the last moment. She was always disturbing me. I liked them because they were praising. I was always praying for all the Sophia College teachers because they blessed, because they are blissful. I'm trying to check many of the sentences, but automatically because of the flood of the sentences go off. She was always irritating me when I was trying to talk with her. He was always laughing at his sister when she was trying to new. My grandfather was always giving good inspiration to me. She was always going to the church. She was always going to attend the dance class. He was always wearing this dress. They were always working in their work. They were always busy in their work. Chalo. Let's stop it over here. Means let's not write more sentences and understand the new concept now. she always eating dosa. In the dosa, what is this? डोसे के बीच में कौन घुसता है? प्रेपोजिशन भी सिखाने पड़ेंगे. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में वॉज वर लगना है बेटा. ओके. मेरे को सेंटेंस नहीं आएगा. आई एम नॉट हैविंग द सेंटेंस. He was always watching television. Okay, stop it. Stop the sentences now, please. Let's do this. While versus when. Because they are blessed आएगा. अब वर तो नहीं है ना, कि पहले blessed थे अब नहीं है. Because they are blessed. Okay. Now we will learn while versus when. Clauses are group of words which have meaning but are often not complete sentences. Some clauses begin with the word when, such as when she called or when it bit me. Other clauses begin with while, such as while, when she was sleeping, while he was surfing. है ना? हम क्या कहते हैं, कई बार कहते हैं ना, जब वो नेट सर्फिंग कर रही थी, जब when she was surfing. When you talk about the things in the past, when is most often followed by the verb tense, simple past, and while is followed by past continuous. अब इन जो है हम लगाते तो तभी जब पास्ट की बात करती, जब वो ऐसा कर रही थी तो ऐसा हो रहा था. बट वाइल लगा है कहाँ पे? वाइल लगता, लिखो बच्चे अपनी कॉपी पे लिखो. वाइल ऑलवेज जो लगता है दैट इज यू द पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. जब पास्ट में कोई इवेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस फॉर्म में होता है तो हम यूज करते हैं वाइल. ठीक है. और जब सिंपल पास्ट होता है तो हम यूज करते हैं व्हेन. क्लियर? While I was making the birthday cake, I poured a glass of salt instead of sugar into it. Oh my god, it's going to be a salty cake now. मैं कह रही हूँ कि while और when लगते तो ही कि जो तो पास्ट में कोई एक्शन हो रहा था, बट अब हमें समझ नहीं आता कि फिर while कहाँ लगना है और when कहाँ लगना है. तो while हम लगाते हैं सिंपल पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में और when लगाते हैं सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में. कॉन्टिन्यूस होगा वो वाला सेंटेंस तो हम लगा देंगे. अगर वो पास्ट का एक्शन होगा तो हम व्हेन लगा देंगे. आ गया समझ? जब हम पास्ट मतलब सिंपल पास्ट टेंस की बात करते हैं तो हम व्हेन लगाते हैं. ठीक है. और जब हम पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस की बात करते हैं तो हम व्हाइल लगाते हैं. क्लियर? आई वॉज स्टडिंग वेन शी कॉल्ड. अब देखो आई वॉज स्टडिंग क्या था, मैं कॉन्टिन्यूस था. कॉन्टिन्यूस के साथ क्या लगा? वेन लगा. वाइल आई वॉज स्टडिंग शी कॉल्ड. अब आप बनाओ सेंटेंसेस. सिंपल पास्ट में क्या होगा? वेन के साथ लगेंगे. वेन शी कॉल्ड आई कम. while she called me I was doing my work. When he came, I was making breakfast. When he called me, I was reading a book. He was eating pizza when the police arrested him. The fire was burning when we came in. The fire was burning when we came in. Reeth was cutting the grass the other day when the snake appeared. When I was singing a song when we met. इसको एक बार ना स्लाइड्स को पढ़ना अच्छी तरह, सो दैट कॉन्सेप्ट आपके क्लियर भी हो जाए, और अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो यू प्लीज आस्क मी बाय टुमारो. थैंक्स मैम नहीं है, अभी मैंने आगे पढ़ाना है. आप तो फटाफट कहते हो बस थैंक्स. नेक्स्ट क्लास कितने बजे है? Okay, you are not aware. 9:30. We will get free by 8:45, so that you are having 45 minutes for your breakfast. हाँ जी, सेंटेंस वर करेक्ट. मैम, was my sentence correct? ऐसे लिखना. हाँ जी. Non-continuous verbs and mixed verbs. It is important to remember that non-continuous verbs cannot be used in any continuous tense. वो क्या कहते हैं, अगर कोई काम continuous form में नहीं था तो फिर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम continuous tense नहीं लगा सकते. Also, certain non-continuous meanings for mixed verbs cannot be used in the continuous tense. Instead of using past continuous, you should use simple past. Jane was being at my house when you arrived. तो ये करेक्ट नहीं है. कहते कई सेंटेंसेस ऐसे होते हैं जो कॉन्टिन्यूस नहीं होते हैं. They are non-continuous sentences. So if they are non-continuous sentences in the past, try to write it in the simple past. That means subject plus verb का second form plus object. Jane was at my home when you arrived. Jane मेरे घर पे ही था जब तुम आए. ठीक है, अब ऐसे सेंटेंसेस बनाओ. While I was cleaning my house. फिर when नहीं आएगा. My brother was very disturbed. क्यों? उसको खुश होना चाहिए, घर साफ हो रहा है. इसको देखा है? कहते हैं कुछ सेंटेंसेस ऐसे होते हैं। हाँ, रिपीट कर दो। आप पहले बातें कर लो उधर। वो ये कह रहे हैं कि कुछ सेंटेंसेस ऐसे होते हैं जो कॉन्टिन्यूअस फॉर्म में नहीं होते पास्ट में। जैसे जब तुम आए, मैं सो गई थी। आई स्लेप्ट आएगा। आई वॉज स्लीपिंग नहीं आएगा। मैं सो चुकी थी, मैं सो रही थी होता तो क्या आता? पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस। द कॉफी टेस्ट गुड विच यू मेड लास्ट नाइट। फिर while you came when you came to my house, when you came to my house, I time I was that time I slept. I was marketing while you came to my house. When you in my house, I was finished my work. When you came to my house, I finished my work. At the time, I finished my work. I was preparing my dinner. I was preparing dinner, but they slept without eating. When people are kidding, I am studying. When I visited the office, he already went off. Very nice. I was studying while the guests come to my house. When doctors came, patient. My goodness, इतने गंदे गंदे sentences बना देते हो. I see her, नहीं I saw her. Past. आपको कैसे क्लास नहीं पता जी? मैं 1 ईयर और 3 ईयर ग्रुप में लिंक सेंड करती हूँ. It's very bad for you people if you are coming to the class at that time when the class is going to be over. When she came to me, I was very busy. When you came to my house, I was enjoying the party. बेटा जी, आपकी क्लास की मेल नहीं आती तो क्या हुआ? ग्रुप में तो आता है. I always post the message in a group for my class. वहां पे इंडिकेट तो होता ही है आपके सॉफ्टवेयर पे कि मैडम जी अब क्लास है. बेटा मैं 3 ईयर ग्रुप में भेजती हूँ. व्हाई शुड आई ऐड यू इन द 1 ईयर ग्रुप? चलो अगले सेंटेंस देखो. Okay, this is assignment. Please solve it. What dash when the accident occurred? What you were doing when the accident occurred? First, what you were doing. Past continuous में लगाने हैं ना, या इसमें सिंपल पास्ट आएगा या इसमें क्या आएगा, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. I dash to change a light that had burnt off. क्या आएगा, I try का क्या आएगा, I tried to. Simple past. I was trying to change the light that had burnt out. लिख सकते हो but I tried to आएगा simple past में. After dash the wallet full of money. After I found क्या आएगा, after, yes, after I found the wallet full of money, I dash to the police. I Yes, Sumanpreet is fine. I immediately went to the police and and turned it in. Yes. The doctor dashed at the Tom. The doctor said that the Tom dashed too sick. Was too sick to go for work and that he dashed to stay at home. Needed. Very nice. Sebastian dashed at the Susan's house. Arrived. But she dashed not there. But she was not there. जो बी है वो टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग होता है ना. अगर वो प्रेजेंट हो तो इज एम आर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, अगर वो पास्ट हो तो वॉज वर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. शी डैश फॉर हर फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन इन फ्रेंच. She studied at the library for her final examination in French. Sandy is in the living room watching television at this time. Yesterday she was also watching television. Also भी तो यूज करना है. She was also watching television. That she ever does. I called you last night. I was भी लिख सकते हो. I was calling you. Past continuous. After the but you were not there. Where but you was नहीं आएगा, you were आएगा. You के साथ were लगाते हैं. But you were not there. Where you went. I dash out at the fitness center. I worked. Very nice. पास्ट में लिखोगे तो पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में लिखोगे तो लिख सकते हो आई वॉज वर्किंग एट द फिटनेस सेंटर. जैसे अगर इसके साथ कोई सेंटेंस नहीं है, अगर आई वॉज वर्किंग एट द फिटनेस सेंटर, फिर कुछ हुआ होगा पर वो नहीं लिखा हुआ, तो हमें समझ आती है कि हमने क्या लिखना है, वर्कड, सिंपल पास्ट में लिखना है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब, द सेकंड फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, आई वर्कड आउट एट द फिटनेस सेंटर। Okay, when I dash into the busy office, when I walked, the secretary was, वो कराया था ना मैंने continuous में, the secretary was talking, yes, on the phone with the customer. Several clerks were busily working at their desks. हाँ जी, ज्योतिका बिल्कुल सही। And the two managers were discussing quietly the methods, were discussing, जब were quietly discussing, were quietly discussing, वो ज्यादा बेटर है। I dash a mystery movie on the TV when the electricity went off. I was watching, अब यहाँ पे क्या है, उस टाइम के साथ एक्शन भी तो दिया है। Sharon dash in the room. Was in the room, बिल्कुल ठीक। It's strange that you called because I was just I was just thinking about you. The Titanic crossed the Atlantic, was crossing the Atlantic when it struck an iceberg. When I entered the bazaar, a couple of merchants were busy in bargaining, and trying to sell their goods to naive tourists who hunted for अब थोड़ी कर रहे हैं जो हम वॉज लगाएंगे, सिंपल पास लगाएंगे। Some young boys led their donkeys, या led their donkeys through the narrow streets on home. A couple of men argued, led कोई सेम जैसे ब्लैंक में लिखा हुआ, a couple of men argued over the price of a leather bed. I walked over to a man who was selling fruit and bought a banana. The fireman rescued. Simple past. नहीं ठीक है, उसके आगे लिखा हुआ है was rescuing the old woman who was trapped on the third floor. She was so annoying. She always left her dirty clothes. I think she was expecting actually from me. Samantha dash in the Berlin for 2 years. Lived in the Berlin for 2 years. In fact, she lived there when the Berlin Wall came down. Clear? Continuous tense, past continuous is clear. Exercise also done. Was वर्ब के साथ वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी. ओके जी, ऑल द बेस्ट, हैव अ नाइस डे, वर्क हार्ड, टेक रेस्ट, हैव फुल एंजॉयमेंट. बाय बाय, गुड नाइट, गुड डे, सॉरी. ओके जी, ओके. Have a nice day. Attend all the classes, take rest, have proper meals, enjoy your day too. God bless you. Thank you. I really want your blessings. To you too, students. कल भी मॉर्निंग 7 ही होगी क्लास. ओके, बाय.